If you want to make your videos feel more professional, adding background music is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add music in DaVinci Resolve. I'll also share a few small editing tips that can make your music sound much better in your final video. Let's get started. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. This is where most of your timeline editing happens. Now you need to import your music file. Go to the media pool in the top left corner. Right-click inside the media pool and select Import Media. Find the music file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Your music will now appear inside the media pool. To add the music to your video, simply click and drag the music file onto the timeline. You'll want to drop it onto an audio track below your video clips. If your timeline doesn't have an empty audio track, you can create one. Just right-click in the track area, choose Add Track, and then select Add Stereo Track. Once the music is in the timeline, you'll probably notice that it's too loud. This is a common mistake beginners make. Background music should support the video, not overpower it. To fix this, look at the horizontal line running through the audio clip. Click that line and drag it down to lower the volume. For most voiceover videos, a good starting point is around -25 to -35 decibels. You can always adjust it later depending on your voice level. Another useful trick is to fade the music in and out. Hover your mouse over the top corner of the audio clip. You'll see a small white handle appear. Click and drag that handle toward the center of the clip. This creates a fade in, which prevents the music from starting abruptly. Do the same thing at the end of the clip to create a fade out. This small detail makes your edit feel much more polished. Here's another tip that many beginners miss. If your music track is longer than your video, simply select the end of the audio clip and drag it left to trim it. You can also use the blade tool to cut the music if you want it to stop at a specific moment in your video. Finally, play back your timeline and listen carefully. Make sure the music sits nicely under your voice or main audio. If you can't clearly hear the voice, the music is still too loud. Lower it a bit more. That's it. You've now added background music to your video in DaVinci Resolve. Once you get comfortable with this, you can start layering multiple music tracks, adding sound effects, and using audio keyframes to create even more professional edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more simple editing tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.